Hey besties, I hope y'all are doing amazing today. So I have an extremely controversial story that I'm gonna share with you that has all of the Redditors extremely triggered. So you guys have to let me know who you think the a-hole is in this story. Am I the a-hole for banning my sister from family events because of how she treats the kids? I, 41 male, am the oldest of 5. My sister, Vera, 31 female, is the third child. Our parents are long gone. Now, my sister was always the quiet one, and she never interacted with us much as a child. Instead, she spent most of her time in her room reading. She barely spoke, and when she did, she had different conversation topics. She was gifted, I get it. But we were kids, and we got bored when she talked, so we just didn't get along. Fast forward to now, where Vera works optimizing administrative processes for big companies. She's very authoritative, strategic, and overconfident. Even her boyfriend would not take a business or financial decision without consulting her first because he's convinced that she's the holy grail of management. I get it, she's good at what she does, and she has a really big salary and good connections, but she's just a bit much. Now, one point I want to make is that Vera is the only sibling that doesn't have any kids, and apparently her boyfriend just got a vasectomy a few months ago. Good for him. Thing is, when we gather at our childhood home, all of my siblings bring along their kids, and kids are kids. They're loud and they love to play, but they're also really sensitive too. Vera doesn't seem to understand this, and she greets them from a distance. She never hugs them, and if one of them comes up to her, she keeps them at arm's length. Although she's polite, she's way too serious and somehow cold with them. Me and my siblings can't stand this, or the way she refuses to do uppies with the toddlers, or just plain refuses to play along with the older kids. And we would not dare to ask her to watch them for even 15 minutes because we know better. Anyway, her behavior got worse after the last family gathering. She brought along her laptop because she had some work to do, and one of the kids dropped it and accidentally broke the screen. She went totally ballistic and demanded that my youngest sister, who is a single mom living on welfare, to pay to get it fixed. After some reasoning, she dropped the subject, but then she proceeded to stay even further from the kids. So I talked to my siblings, and we decided that it was best if we didn't invite her over to the next gathering. I knew she would see the photos on Instagram, but I was hoping that she would see how her attitude had isolated her from the family and would teach her a lesson. Boy, was I wrong. She sent me a short, dead code message asking why she wasn't invited. I told her the reason and told her that we expected her to behave like a member of the family if she wanted to be treated like family. She responded, okay, and proceeded to block us everywhere. Then both her and her boyfriend started blocking all of our family members. So were we in the wrong for just asking her to be nice to the kids? Absolutely, you're in the wrong, OP. Now I see why the Reddit community was so triggered by this story. It's not Vera's responsibility to want to hang out with kids. I'm sorry. Yes, she should definitely be nice to her nieces and nephews, but not everybody likes kids, and OP needs to get over it. Also, they broke her freaking laptop. The fact that they think that she should just get over it is beyond me. So I'm gonna give the siblings an 8 out of 10 on the a-hole scale. What do you guys think? You also have to let me know what you think about my latest sparkly turtles. Which one is your favorite? The black and purple or the green? Drop some turtle emojis in the comments to show me that you're a true supporter. All right, my loves, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.